the people of northern Israel displaced, lives uprooted, unimaginable trauma. The time for transformation is now, and we're leading the charge. We're the University of Haifa, the University of the North, redefining academia with a community-centered approach, turning research and data into action through therapy, legal counsel, medical intervention, and so much more, restoring lives, igniting resilience, and bringing northern Israel back home. When you support University of Haifa, you're not just giving. You become the architect of an entire region, paving the way for a northern Israel that truly blossoms. We've already started. Now, all we need is you. What will it take to make this home again?